welcome to my channel, and today we are going to take a look at this bad boy over here. It's the Marvel Avengers Legends series Power Gauntlet, or popularly known as the Nano Gauntlet, that came from the movie Marvel Avengers Endgame. So let's get into it. We'll start out the box right here. This is the front side of the box, where you can see this massive shot of the gauntlet right here. This is the right side where you can see the palm. This is the back side where you can see another shots of the product. And this is the left side of the box where you can see the close-fisted pose of the gauntlet right here. This is the top side for another product shots. And down below, there's nothing much. Let's crack this thing open. So here is the instruction. There's an instruction paper. There's a box for protection so that the fingers would not move always inside the box. So here it is, guys, out from the packaging. And this guy is so massive, as you can see right now. This is also wearable. You can insert your hands here, and there's some rings inside that you can insert each of your fingers in it, so you can control each fingers of the gauntlet. And this thing is battery operated because it has a light function for each stones, and also it has a sound function, sound effects. For installing the batteries, you can pull this panel right here. I'll demonstrate it to you. You can pull it below at the bottom of the gauntlet like this, and you see here the speakers right here that produces the sound when you move each fingers, that I will demonstrate later. And here you can see the battery door here. Let's install some batteries. First, you have to unscrew this battery door and install some 3 AA batteries on it. Here you have it. You have installed the batteries from the gauntlet. So now let's demonstrate how these things work. In the instruction, they said that you have to push this one to enable the lights function for the stones and also the sound function. So let's try it. That's the sound when it's turned on. Each stone light up, then there's the sound from this gauntlet. To turn it off, you have to push this long, then wait for the stones to turn off. And there you have it. And we can turn it on also by pulling each fingers. Okay, that's the sound that it produces if you close all the fingers right here. And if you move each fingers, you can hear mechanical sounds that it produces on each fingers. Also, you can do some finger combination that has the unique sounds on it. I know only just, I think, 4. Here's what I have discovered. The pointing of the index finger like this, it produces the sound like this. And that's it. The other one is the rock sign where you close the middle finger and the ring finger right here. That's the sound that it produces. And the other one is the snap, where you close this sound and this middle finger right here. So that's the sound it produces. The other one is Spider-Man hand pose, where you imitate the Spider-Man when shooting his webs. And the main, when you close fist. And there you have it, the combinations of the fingers that I know. So let's talk about the look and details of this gauntlet right here. As you can see, the red paint on it looks like maroon. It's not that metallic look as the movie and in the box. As you can see here, it's totally bright red than here. It's darker red. The silvers are okay. The golds are alright. One thing that missing is brightness of the red right here. Other thing that I noticed about this gauntlet is it's different from the box. The details here. You can see here some black and gold paints right here, and I think it's vents. But here, you cannot see some vents here. Even if we look at the other images, there's no vents here. The panel here looks different from this one, aside from the color. But all in, it looks nice. It's nice to have it in your cabinet next to your collections. One thing that lacking here is the details also. I think it has more potential than it looks if you enhance the paint jobs here. There are some details here that can pop out by just painting. You can repaint this one and it will look nicer than the original. And the look of it, it's not movie accurate as you can see, but who cares? It looks like awesome for me. It looks decent on collections when you post it on your cabinets. You just have to enhance the details right here by, I think, washing or adding some in the wires. You can see here wires inside. You can paint them the colors of each stones so that it can pop out more like in the movie, and you can add weathering on it, add some gold paints and silver paints right here to show more detail. I think this one has more potential than it looks like. I forgot to tell you about this feature right here. If you move the fingers, it will come back. If you pull each fingers, it will come back. But if you push it downward, if you close some fingers, it will stay that way, so that you can pose it whatever look you want. When you are displaying it, you can have it close fisted like this one. If you pull it upward, it will come back to the original position like that. You can also make other poses than the close fisted one, like the rock pose or the snap pose. Anything you want. Now let's try it without lights, so you can see here the beauty of each stone when it lights up. And for the size comparison here, we have a Coke bottle here, 1.5 liters. For the size comparison of this massive thing, as you can see, Coca-Cola bottle looks tiny compared to this one. This stands 19.5 inches as the box indicated. So that is it for the size comparison, so that you know how big this is in real life. In my opinion, it's nice to have this one in your collection, referring to the cost of this range from $100 comparing from the Hot Toys version of this, that is this, that costs more expensive than this one. I think it's 5 times more or 6 times more expensive. Plus this one is wearable. You can play with it. You can have some fun, and you can display it. Plus the fingers are articulated. The Hot Toys are not articulated, and it's not wearable. And that is it, guys, for this unboxing and review of this Power Gauntlet right here. I hope you like it, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for supporting this channel, and see you on the next videos of unboxing and reviews for other collectible items. Peace!